Yeah.
Marco.
Give a little shout out. Give a little shout out. Give a shout out to Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. This right here is all the fine officers. Give a wink. You can wink if you want. You don't want to wink. Okay. Fine officers, hair test. Yeah, cool. Thanks. Yeah, of course. Sorry. Oops. I'm stepping in evidence. Let me get out of the way here. The sheriffs are really cool, man. You know, they're not people that portray them to be assholes. They're not. They're actually really good people. You know, they're humans. You know. There's my new girlfriend over here.
Yeah.
Hey, what to do? Hashtag Houston. What to do?